Yes.
We didn't swim to other
Illegal immigrants.
We came with papers. You guys are our helpers at home.
Oh, hey.
Share it.
Why are you coming in Mozambique?
Why were you there?
Where? I'm here in the county.
Here to
And you?
decide, we're here to visit.
To visit?
Like you. We're not here
Where?
to go to
Where?
We're here to visit.
Where the beautiful county? That's why you like it. Why you coming?
We pay
So
you
why you chase us then? Why you chase us? You are stupid guys, you South Africa people. You are very stupid. Why don't go to your president? Why did you go to Cape Town? Why you come in Mozambique? Very stupid. People, we cross with you people. We're not help with you guys. We're not help with you guys. We get close with South Africa people. I tell you guys, you must go tell your president to fuck off. Yes. Yes. And I make video also.
Yes.
I make video.
Yes. You want my passport?
Hello, hi. Let's see how it work over here. South Africans were being chased out of Mozambique. Now, there are people who are saying they deserve it. There are people who are saying it is karma. There are people who are saying, how does it feel now it has been done to you? And I'm out here shocked that what is happening in South Africa regarding the illegal immigrant and what happened there, go Mozambique, totally different things. You can try to put them in the same bucket, it's okay. But Zona, they are totally different things. There's nothing to celebrate. I know you will celebrate to make yourself feel better, but there's nothing to celebrate. Those South Africans who were in Mozambique, they were not there illegally. They had papers to be there. Those South Africans, they didn't get to Mozambique and now they started buying your bed, your TV, your microwave, all those appliances so that they can settle in Mozambique. They were not there for that. They were there on a holiday. 3 days or 5 days or 7 days, then they will be back home, South Africa. Now, you cannot wake up and compare that to someone who has been in South Africa for 25 years, someone who has been here for 12 years, and they have a place here in South Africa, someone who's operating, someone who is here, they don't have papers, they are operating whatever, whether it's a salon somewhere, whether it's a tech shop, but these people, they are operating, and whatever that they are operating, they are not supposed to be doing. According to South African law. Foreigners, they are not allowed to do certain things. Not according to us South Africans. You can hate South Africans, it's okay. But now, this has to do with South African law. You're going to compare someone who came here, Africa, someone who came to South Africa, I decided I'm going to settle in South Africa. You're going to compare that person with someone who is on a holiday. Hey, and you believe you are intelligent. You believe you are smart. You believe you are educated. If you believe that, all I have to do is to ask you for one favor. Do yourself a favor. Wake up tomorrow and work on your mindset. You are the problem. Your brain. If what happened in Mozambique makes you happy because you believe that South Africans, they must be treated like that because South Africans, they are doing the same. No, South Africans, they are not doing the same. South Africans, they are saying you have no right to be in South Africa. You don't have papers. Those people who were in Mozambique, they had papers. There's a difference. Those people who were in Mozambique, they didn't go there to start kidnapping kids, to start selling drugs. They were not there to do corruption. No, they were not there for that. They were there to have a good time, holiday, and come back to South Africa. And now you want us to be okay with people who are doing criminal things. so that you people can love us. No, we don't do fake love over here. We don't. I said it on my other video. South Africans, they are used to hate and pain. It has been done before. And South Africans, they stood firm. So don't just get excited for useless things. And you're gonna wake up tomorrow and call yourself intelligent. You people, the type of intelligence that we are seeing on social media, hey man, we need a brand new bunch of intelligent people. Because the ones that we have, oh, we are out here questioning their education also. That's my take, that's my opinion. You know, those are two different things. South Africans, they can be chased away, go Tanzania, you understand, by for holiday. It will still be a different case. It will never be the same until you people are chasing South Africans who have settled somewhere, whether go Ghana, and you say we don't want them here. They came here, they've been here for years, and they are busy here doing things that we don't want. You see, if you have such and you bring such to light, you will have my attention. I will listen to you. I will stop whatever that I'm doing, and I will be all yours. All my ears will belong to you. I get offer attention, shame. Because now what you guys are celebrating, I've been watching this video, I've been watching, and I'm like, but there's nothing to celebrate here. If you really wake up and use your own brain, there is nothing to celebrate here. Yes, South Africans, they were wrong. I heard you people are or help us in South Africa. That is very wrong. We call that disrespecting another man. Don't do that, South Africans. That one, it is off. If you get a chance, apologize for that line. That line, you're not supposed to use it. We have a problem with foreigners in South Africa who are disrespecting us. We cannot now leave, go to another man's land and go there and belittle someone. You have no right to go to another man's land and talk down on them. That one I have a problem with it. My fellow South Africans, that one, it was very wrong. I hope and I wish you will apologize for that. That line that you people in South Africa, you are our helpers. Don't do that. That is the amount of disrespect that we have been enduring here in South Africa. We had to endure that from a certain tribe, a certain kind of Africans who have been doing that to us, South Africans. And we did say we don't like it. These people, they disrespect us. These people, they look down on us. These people, they are shitting on us. These people, they have nothing but horrible things to say to us as South Africans. So we also don't have the right to go to other people's land and say horrible things to them or even belittle people. That one, I had a problem with it. But otherwise, the rest that you people are celebrating, there is nothing to celebrate. South Africans, they were not illegal there. Even if they were chased and they left, it's okay. They have a place called home. They have a place called home. And this thing that we South Africans actually want, we want Africans to go home, fix, so that we can have a better Africa. But I have realized with this video, that will never happen. The way our fellow brothers and sisters, the way our fellow brothers and sisters, it's a dream that will never come true. It's a dream that will never come true. It shows why some of them, they don't want to go. They don't want to go and fix. They just don't want. They don't want. They want this to be their new home. But how? Like, why will you be happy that there's a man who left Mosadi and the kids there to come here and start a new family? No, it's a problem. But hey, it is what it is. South African, you have a place called home. And we love home. We love home. We don't hate foreigners. We don't hate our fellow African brothers and sisters. We don't. We just want people to wake up and do right. We want people to wake up and fix. Because that's what South Africans, they've been doing all these years. South Africans, they will see the problem. They will wake up and fix. But now other people, when they see their problem, and now they wake up and they leave. And we are saying, don't do that, don't leave. If you leave, there is no one who will fix. If all men now, let's say, I'm gonna use Nigeria, because Nigerians are the one who will, most of them, they are in different parts of the world. Let's use Nigeria. If we have Nigerians, especially Nigerian men, leaving Nigeria, are we are we expecting those women and those kids to fight in Nigeria? No. That means Nigeria will never be a better place to stay, because Nigerian men, they don't want to fix. We are blessed, South Africans. I believe it now that we are blessed.